Ayan, so what is up you guys, it's your girl May. We're back again with another YouTube video, and for today's video, as you guys can see from the title down below, I'm gonna be coloring my hair again. So it hasn't been 2 months since I last colored my hair red blonde when I attended a wedding, and now it's already on its fading stage. Ayan, it's close to its original state, which is the bleach state, and I am very much eager to color my hair again. Yesterday I was with Miguel, and then we thought of buying hair color for the nth time, and then I thought, why not mix these colors, because I was really eager to go blue, and at the same time I was eager to go green. So like, why not mix both colors and see its result? So yeah, we'll be mixing the hair color from SUNBRIGHT series in the shade green and the hair color from BREMOD in the shade blue. So okay, so there, I'm gonna be mixing these two hair colors, and let's see what we will be getting. Will we be getting an aquamarine, a seaweed green, a mermaid blue, an army green? I don't know yet, but let's see what will be its result. We're gonna be using the BREMOD oxidizer, which I bought for 155 pesos before, and then yeah, it's in 9%. And then we have here a mixing bowl, and then some comb, you know, and then of course our disposable gloves in case you don't have any latex gloves, so you can settle with this. Okay, so to start it off, we're gonna be mixing the hair color and the oxidizer. I'm gonna be putting the green first here. Wow, I know I actually sound awkward because I'm speaking in English, but I'm actually practicing my English because my second international collaboration will be up very soon, and I'm very nervous about it. But yeah, I'm trying my best. I hope you can see it. Let's proceed with the blue one from BREMOD. So let's see its color. Ta-da! I know this is kinda creepy to do because, you know, hair colors are chemicals and we should not be playing with chemicals unless we're chemical engineers. Anyways, if you're not that strong-willed as I am, if you're not as risk-taker as I am, then please do not experiment with hair colors. That's a disclaimer. I do this for fun, and I don't care if my hair is damaged and dead and dry and all. But if you care enough for your hair, don't do what I'm doing. Oh, they're completely different. This one is the green one and this one is the blue one. Completely different colors. Now it's time to add our oxidizer, or the BREMOD Collage Hydrox 9% to the mixture. So I don't usually measure everything. I just eyeball it, and then whenever my ancestors are gonna whisper, okay, that's enough, my child, that is the exact time that I'm gonna stop pouring. So yeah, let's pour. Whoa, I think that's too much. So we're gonna be mixing this until we get the consistency that we want for our hair color. Actually, this one is a bit risky, and you know, it's creepy. I don't know if you can still hear me because someone's using chainsaw from the outside. They're doing construction. Anyways, if you guys can hear me clearly, I'm gonna be mixing this until the greens and the blues are mixed up together with the oxidizer. So yeah. So here is the mixture. Here is how it looks like. It's a bit yellowish. It actually looks like icing. Anyways, we'll just be wearing our disposable gloves and to keep our hands safe from the chemical experimentation that we'll be doing. Ta-da! So let's start. I'm just gonna be dividing my hair into two. I don't section that much. And then I'm thinking of maybe using just my hands instead of using the brush. Yeah, because I find it way easier and faster. Last photo with this red hair. Okay, so let's start the hair coloring session. Okay. Whoa. Look at that. It looks like poop. Anyways, let's just continue this. So hi guys, as you guys can see, I'm done coloring my hair and ayan, tapos na siya. I'm just gonna be wrapping my hair with this plastic cellophane so that, you know, the color would sit in my hair. Yeah. So I'll just be waiting for this to sit in my hair for like 20 to 30 minutes and then I'm gonna be rinsing it off. So while we're waiting for my hair to, you know, for the hair color to sit, I'm just gonna be telling you some of the experiences I had while doing this hair color session. So the very first thing I noticed is that this one is my most messy hair coloring session, like of all the sessions I did before. There you go. It's so messy. It's in my shirt. It's in my legs. It's everywhere. Oh my god, it's even in my ears. There's a stinging sensation, but it's totally very bearable. It's very tolerable. I think my hair is immune. My scalp is immune. I just don't know. Let's hope for the best for my hair. Okay, so this is not the first time that I'll be mixing hair colors. I've done that before. I've mixed pink and violet and it turned out maroon. And now, this is my first time filming it in front of the camera, so whether it fails or it wins, you guys will be seeing it because I will be posting this in my channel. So 30 minutes have passed and actually was able to cook lunch for me and my mom, and then I rinsed my hair already and this is how it looks like. It's still wet. Ta-da! It looks black. Mukha siyang black. But let's see what the actual color will be once this one is all dried up. This is how my hair looks like, from completely red to completely blue. I don't know if this one is midnight blue, but it actually is a very nice shade of blue. Meron siyang hint ng green and at the same time may hint ng blue, which is something I love a lot because oh my gosh. And it doesn't feel dry at all. Ayan, super smooth pa rin ang aking hair. Kahit hindi ako nag-shampoo right after rinsing all of this. Ayan. So if it's short hair, ganito siya. Oh my gosh. Anyways, that is all for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get the latest updates from my latest videos. That is all. See you in my next video. Bye!